Got tough odors from smoke, mold, pets, or garbage? Germ Boss is an EPA-registered disinfectant odor eliminator that kills odor-causing bacteria and freshens large spaces. For full room treatment, place the can on a stand or table in the center of the room. Press the valve down to lock it and leave the room immediately. Each can treats up to 1,000 cubic feet. Keep doors and windows closed for 2 hours, then air out for 30 minutes. Open cabinets and interior doors before fogging. Cover food and turn off fans and appliances that cycle on and off. Avoid closets and small enclosed spaces under 100 cubic feet. In just 2 hours, odors are neutralized at the source. No heavy perfumes or sticky residue. Germ Boss works in homes, cars, gyms, and anywhere odors linger. Spray, fog, and forget odors with Germ Boss.